Hi, if you just received new meter and you want to change new one, you can check here. This way we have meter light port here, and you can just change from here. It's very easy. But if you just change and use remote control, you want turning on but still not working. I think problem is this meter light port is broke, so we have to install from the other side. And I will show you second solution. If you just change new one from here but still not working. First, you can see this one and this one. This one is new meter, and this is new meter light and light port. We can install first. We can use new meter and new meter light port and just pull in this way. Okay, now I pull in, and you can check this one. This one is meter of light. So we can install meter light port from this way. You can see now we have many light and many light port. So first we have find out meter light port. Meter light port is this one. You can see we have 5 different color. Color is blue, green, white, black, and red. The other side is same color. This is meter light port. Looks like it's big than the other. The other light port is small, and meter light port is special. It's big than the other one. So first we have find out meter light port, and we can use new meter and new meter light here, new meter light port, and just change from here. Just pull out this one and install new meter light port, and use remote control and check it's working or not. It's easy. If you just change new meter, you just use this one, install from here but still not working, you can also change new remote control. Remote control, if we want to change this one, is easy. You can see here we have only one light port here. Just pull out this light port and install new remote control, and use remote check it's working or not. If it's still not working, I think problem is your controller is broke. Now I will show you how to change new controller. Now you can see we have many light here. Looks complicated, but it's easy. I will show you how to install them one by one. First, you can see now we have different color, different light port here. They looks like special. Color is blue, green, and yellow. And here we have 2 same color. Color is white. We have 2 light port here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They looks like really special than the other light ports. So they are working for motor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are work for motor. So first, if you want to change new controller, we have install 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 first for motor. And then you can check this one. This one is battery. They look like special too. This is battery light port. And this one is charging port. You can see they are connected here. This way is charging port. This one. And this one is meter of light. That looks like special. Color is red, black, white, green, blue. The other side is same color. That looks like special than the other light port. The other light port, you can see now we still have many light port, but they are not really important because we first mentioned is let a scooter can normal working. So we have to check motor's life and battery life and remote control, and we can use remote control and check scooter is working or not. Final, we can check the other light. The other light, basically this light is for brake light, headlight, USB. It's not really important, so we have to check motor's life, battery, and charges, And remote controller. Remote control only have one light port here. Just pull out this light port and install new remote control. They will be fine. And then I will show you how to change LED light and brake light. You can see LED light is here, and this way we have light. We have LED light here, very close. They are very close, easy find out. And we just find out LED light here, and we can find out LED light port. Okay, now I find out. You can see LED light port is very close and easy find out. You can see LED light port, only one light port here. So if you want to change LED light, just pull out this light port. Just pull out this LED light port here and install new one. The other side is same step. You can see they are very close. Easy find out LED light. LED light is from here. I can find out LED light port. Just change this way. Pull out LED light port and install new one. And then you can see we have two brake light here. Brake light is easy find out. You can see they only also have one light port here. The other side is same step. They only have one port. Just change this one. If you want to change brake light, just pull out this light port, old light port, and just change new one.